Today in 2 minutes, we're gonna fix this leaky tire with this drill and this sweet tire plug kit with just a couple of hand tools with no editing, starting now. So first you're gonna wanna prepare your plug. So get out your little plug tool and your plugs. Just grab one, pull it out of there, stick it in. This is kind of the hardest part. I'll see if I can, you just kind of keep pressing it in and try to get it through. It's not the best design in my opinion, but you just ride the struggle bus for a little bit and then you should be able to pull it on through. So you want to get about in the middle like this, and then you're going to want to put a little of this stuff on it right here. This is to help activate it while it's in the hole. It's easier to start off with a full tire full of air. It just makes the process easier. Now we're going to, I guess we'll just set this aside, and then we'll get our reamer. This is a reamer. It kind of barrels itself on there and reams it. We'll get that in there. And finally we'll pull out the nail. And then right away, in forward. Okay, and you're going to want to pull out and get that in as fast as you can. Oh boy. Well, I guess we're live. No edits, right? Actually. Okay. Get your already little prepared thing in there. And then just push. Go not quite all the way in, and with one tug, pull it out. Is it hailing? Huh, anyways. So it should be like that. Let's get you a better angle real quick. There we go. And cut it off. And you're good to go. We'll spray some water on it. No bubbles.